All right, guys, one last problem for this lesson. So it says Matt wants to shave 2.5 minutes off his 5K race time. After a month of hard training, he managed to lower his overall time from 21 1/5 of a minute to 19 1/4 of a minute. How many more minutes does Matt need to lower his race? Okay, so first of all, if he wanted to shave the 2.5 minutes off, I need to figure out, well, how much did he shave off? So the first thing that I'm going to do, so if on race 1, he started off at 21 1/5, and then on race 2, he was able to go to 19 1/4. I want to know how much more he would need to shave off to make that 2.5 minutes off completely. So I'm going to subtract these because I want to know what is the difference between these two. Okay. Oops, not 15, 5. Okay. I already know that my common denominator is going to be 20, so I'm going to multiply this times 4 and this times 5. Okay, and I'm going to get 21 4/20 minus 19 5/20. So I can't do 4 minus 5, so I'm going to have to borrow. So I'm going to turn this 21 into 20, and I'm going to borrow and convert that 1 that I have, that 1 whole, into that fraction 20/20. So now I'm going to add this whole and that fraction together, and I'm going to get 24/20 minus 19 5/20. Okay, so if I do this, I'm going to get 20 minus 19 is 1. 24 minus 5 is 19/20. So between that time, he only shaved off 1 19/20, but he wanted to shave off 2.5 minutes. So I'm going to take this 2.5 and I'm going to figure out, sorry guys, how much more he would need to shave off. So first of all, 20 is going to be my common denominator, okay? So I just need to multiply this fraction by 10 and this fraction by 10. I can leave this one alone because I'm just going to meet this one right there, okay? So I'm going to get 2 10/20 minus 1 19/20. Okay, now I cannot subtract 10 minus 19, so I need to borrow. So I'm going to turn that 2 into a 1, and that 1 that I borrowed, I'm going to turn it into 20/20. Okay, so now I'm going to add the two denominators together, and I'm going to get 30/20, and I'm going to subtract 1 19/20. So I know that 1 minus 1 is going to be 0, and then 30 minus 19, 3, 2, 10 minus 9 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. That means that he would need to still shave off 11/20 of a minute. Okay, so he still has just a couple of seconds that he needs to be able to shave off.